Halo semuanya, apa kabar dan masih dengan Eka di sini ya. Dan episode kali ini sedikit spesial karena saya tuh ada kedatangan tamu. Bukan kedatangan tamu sih, tapi saya sebenarnya yang bertamu ke tempatnya dia. Jadi kita adalah satu tim di Backend tim di tempat saya bekerja. Dan kali ini kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol sama dia dan kita akan gali-gali sedikit tentang dia. Oke, jadi tanpa panjang lama lagi ya, kita langsung aja. Dan ini dia orangnya.
Hai, apa kabar? Hello, hi everyone.
Oke, jadi ini dia rumahnya dan ini dia si cantik yang ingin saya interview. First, I want you to introduce yourself to my subscriber or whoever watching this. So, please.
So, apa kabar? Hello everyone. My name is Jenna. I'm a Chinese. I'm from China, but currently I'm working in Sydney as Ika's colleagues and one of my best friends.
Alright,
so currently my current job is a backend software developer, and I work in the same team with Ika.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so all right, so Jenna, we are in the same team, right? So we sometime working on the same project together.
Yes.
So I'm just curious, why did you choose to be software engineer? You can just study economy or law or.
Because when I was young, when I studied from my high school, I'm good at math and physics, and actually I didn't have a very clear goal about what I should learn when I go to uni. But I'm sure I'm going to learn something about engineering because I always would like to explore more and more stuff. And engineering gave me a feeling that if I put effort on it, I can actually gain something. If you learn developer, you can actually learn those skills. It's a visualizing things that you can see that you got it. Yeah. So when I go to uni, I'm a bit confused about what should I learn. So I asked my mom actually.
Alright,
so my mom suggested me software developer or electrical engineering or civil engineering.
Oh, so actually your mom suggests you to choose that, right?
Because she said nowadays the whole world develop really fast. So later on, more and more people will heading the developer stuff. So she just suggested me maybe I can choose this one.
I think it's really common that in Indonesia as well, when you graduate from high school and you don't have a clear goal, right? So you where do you want to go? What do you want to study?
Yes.
Right. So and many of them just follow what their parents told they do, and some of them just follow. Oh, my friend doing this. I just follow my friend. So basically, it's same, right? So it's everywhere, right?
But I think software engineering is very fun for me.
Fun. Right. Yeah, agree. It's fun. It's really really fun. Right. So
yes.
So you said software engineering is fun, right? So when do you start programming? Like the first time you start programming is when is that?
So I start my uni from 2016 January. And that is the time that I start to code.
At uni, right?
At uni, okay. As a fresh year one student at uni.
Fresh, okay.
And before that, I have nothing about coding actually.
You know nothing about coding?
And nothing about Mac OS, Linux.
Linux, yeah?
Yeah. I don't know what Linux is or Unix
right.
is.
Yeah, that's normal, I think. So at the time that you start to learn programming, right? And I'm curious, what was the first programming language that you learned, and what's your first project at the time?
So during that time, for my uni, all of the bachelor students, the first language we have to learn is C. It's
C.
Yeah, it's pretty hard actually. It's a basic, very low level
language.
We use C to learn all the basic data structure and some algorithm. It's just a basic knowledge help you to learn other things, I think.
Alright.
Yeah. So my first project I did, because at the time there's a really popular game named Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go.
Yeah, everyone using that game to go all the world and try to find a small.
It's
So So our professor just have a similar idea. So ask all the students to do assignment. It's the same logic as Pokemon Go, but we have to use linked list.
Linked list.
Yeah, to solve all the things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so because it's C, so you have to think about all the memory alloc. Yeah.
Memory allocation, right?
Yeah.
So linked list is it's one of it's a
data structure.
Right,
Yeah.
cool, right? That's your first
language
and the first project that you're working on,
yeah.
And it's this game, it's hard, right?
Yeah.
And I cannot imagine that you can do that with C language, yeah. But so after that, did you learn other language as well?
Yeah.
Or,
so after we learn C, the second course we did is a Java course.
Java.
Yeah, and for the Java, because all the language they have similar syntax. So for the Java, most of things we learn is about the concept of OOP, object-oriented programming. Yeah.
So you use C for learn data structure and algorithm.
Yeah.
And then you use Java to learn object-oriented programming.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Right. That's nice.
Then after that, we have another compulsory course to learn is the scripting script. Yeah, scripting.
Scripting.
Yeah.
Scripting language.
Yeah,
right.
about shell.
Shell.
Perl. Yeah.
Okay.
And Python.
Yeah. Okay, so you learn all of it from C, then Java, and then you learn what's called
scripting.
Scripting language Perl or shell script
and Python.
Python as well.
Yeah.
So, wow, that's a lot, right? I mean, there's a lot of things to learn, right?
Yes. And also, I also select some course like database, networking,
database,
web application, which is a course we have to build a web app, and also the operating system.
OS.
Yeah, OS. A lot of things.
Wow, it's a lot of language. How do you learn all of that?
Yeah, so because we study at uni,
okay,
so
that makes sense.
Yeah,
okay.
And actually it's very hard for the computer science student to get a good grades, finish all the courses. So I always study at library with my friends until midnight or even in the morning, then go back home, sleep. And I don't have a lot of time play during weekend. Most of the time during the weekend, I have to study on my assignments.
So the point is it's not easy, right? You need to really you need to study it. You need to.
Yeah, we need to you need to put a lot of efforts on it.
Yeah.
It's not a very happy time, but I'm pretty enjoy the time I spent at uni because I study with all of my friends.
Yeah.
We study the same course, so we can do some discussion.
You can discuss with friends.
Yeah, discuss and solve the problems all together. Yeah, which is very nice, pretty good. And I meet a lot of friends. So nowadays we've already graduated and we are working for different companies.
Yeah.
But we still keep touch very well. So always talk about is there any new technical come out or any new chance between different companies.
All right. So many people ask me that as well. Should I go to uni or just learn as you can just learn by yourself? So what do you think about that?
I think learn by yourself is also okay.
Yeah.
But if you go to uni, you can actually learn more. I know there's too many basic knowledge. Maybe you won't use it during working, but it gives you a really good base, like the basic.
Yeah.
And also, I think after you study at uni, you will know all the different fields.
Different fields.
Yeah, different things. Like not only front end for web app or mobile app, but also algorithm, networking, a lot of things. So when you're seeking for a job, you have more opportunities and chances to try different positions.
If you have to choose, right, uni or not uni,
I prefer uni. Yeah, right, so, I think if you have if you have this condition, it's better for you to go to a uni, do a proper learning.
Yeah.
Because someone will guide you step by step instead of you waste a lot of time learn by yourself. And uni is like a community. You guys can learn together.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
wow. So now let's talk about our work environment, right? So
Yeah.
the first time that you joined this company, like the company that we are working on, what's your first role there? Like,
My first role is junior backend developer. At the very beginning of the entry level of junior developer. It's pretty new for me actually.
yeah,
Because working environment is totally different from uni.
from uni, right?
Yeah, for uni you have a lot of assignments to do and different courses. If you finish, then it's gone, and you
Yeah.
will do something totally different. But working is different. You're so during the work, I feel I'm doing a very, very, very big assignment for a long period.
Yeah, like it never stop. Like you working on the same thing, and then it's big project, and it's never finished, right? So you
Yeah.
just keep
and
working
adding
on it.
new things
Yeah,
on the
and adding
same
new stuff,
project.
yeah,
So
so-
while we're adding the new stuff, we also learn something new.
And you working with like a
Yeah.
many like a senior engineer and
Yeah, like you, very
well
very good developer.
thanks. Can I help you? So is it hard for
Yeah.
you to adapt with that situation? Like
I feel a bit nervous actually at the first beginning.
nervous, right?
Yeah, because everyone got a really good skills and they already familiar with the current project.
System, right? So
Yeah, the whole system. So for me, I feel like I'm start from zero.
Start from zero.
Yeah, so I feel nervous and I'm worried I will mess up anything
Yeah.
or I can't help you guys. Yeah, but after a while, I feel it's very good because you guys are all the senior developer, and every time when I have a question, so I can just ask and learn a lot of things from you.
Yeah. Wow.
So it's really good for me, and I think it's also good for all the other junior developers. If you working with those friendly, nice senior developers,
nice and nice,
yeah.
good looking. Yeah. So I mean, like this senior engineer, like they help you, right? Like
Yeah.
they really help you, like not just like right, this is task for you and then you just do it yourself. No, right? So,
Yeah, no.
So they help you, right?
Yeah, help me, and also not only teach me the knowledge, and also teach me the way that can improve my job. Like
Yeah.
how do you debug, not only for this current problem, and it's also good for all of you, for the same situation when you meet it, like the step by step. Yeah, so I learned how to debug, how to learn by myself, like by reading all the documents.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and the communication as well. Like how can you ask a question very effectively?
Yeah, like how to correctly ask question, right?
Yes.
So that is important, I think. So
Yeah, so I'm really, really thankful for all those senior developers who helped me. Yeah.
yeah, when we write program, like and sometimes sometimes it's easy, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes it's like really hard, like, and sometimes like we stuck, right? So
We were stuck.
so
yeah.
what do you do like when you're stuck in your programming?
Previously, the first time when I stuck, I feel very stressful.
Stressful?
Yeah, but after that, I realized I can search online, like Google
Yeah.
it. Google the question, try to find if anyone have the similar issue with you. If I really can't find the issue, the result, then I may just ask helping from the team members, the friends
Yeah.
who work with me.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I feel working in a good team is also very important.
yeah,
So you can feel your team members all bonding together. Yeah, and we're a really team. We're trying to make everyone getting better and
Yeah,
better.
yeah,
That is
yeah.
very
So-
important. And I
So,
feel
yeah.
feel I'm lucky, like working with all you guys. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we're like a
Yeah,
family.
me too. Like Yeah, we like a family, right? So
Yeah.
we lunch together, and like sometimes we dinner together, and we
Yeah.
just
Drinking
fun.
together.
Yeah, drinking together, and yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so now like any kind of job, right? So there must be something that you really like to be a software engineer,
Yeah.
or and something that you dislike about this job, like what do you like most?
Yeah, for my job, a software engineering, software developer, I like it very much because I can feel that we are always learning something. Because nowadays the technology, they develop really fast.
Yeah.
So every day we'll have some new things come out,
Yeah.
and we are always keep learning.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that make me feel satisfied. And also, so every time when I start on a project, I treat this project as my child. So
Children, like
children,
your baby?
yeah, my baby.
Oh, wow.
So when I'm adding the codes or debug or testing on it, I feel I'm taking care of my baby. And I try to make my baby grow up as good as I can. So when this project done, I feel satisfied that I did a good thing.
Okay, then what about like the thing that you dislike about this job, this field? Like
Most of time I feel very good, but sometimes because coding is personal things, you have to do it by yourself.
Yeah.
You can't ask another guy and like coding the same keyboard with you. So
no.
so for this job, I feel compared with those like teacher or lawyer or something, we have less communication with each other, like less
interaction.
Interaction with others. So I think that is the only thing I feel dislike about this job.
I mean, like sometimes like you feel like you're alone, right? So
Yeah, I feel alone.
Like lonely,
I would like to stay with my colleagues and friends together.
I can stay here. Like, no, okay, just kidding. Right, so okay, so right now, like what technology, like what language that you use, like in your role, like no, like
Currently,
every day, like yeah, like
most of the time I'm using TypeScript. Yeah, worked on the Node.js.
Node.js, okay.
Yeah, actually, when I studied at uni, I didn't learn this language.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I learned it from my job.
Yeah, like.
And nowadays, I realized it's a really powerful language, and I know the benefits of this language. It's pretty good.
Okay, so that's one proof that, I mean, you don't need to know every language on earth, right? I mean, you need to learn every of them. Like you just need like a strong basic. You learn with C, Java, and other stuff, and then you can apply with this new language that you actually learn in the workplace, right? In the company, right? So
So actually, during the times, sometimes I will watch the YouTube video to learn some new knowledge about this language or the other thing.
And did you watch like my channel, like a
of course,
UpKoding?
I'm a super fan.
All right, so yeah, you should subscribe, right? You subscribe, right?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks. So
I'm a premium fan. Okay.
Not yet, not premium yet. So people like in my age, like 30 plus.
They were worried if it's too late.
Like
right?
do you think it's like too late to learn? Like right now, now they want to learn.
I think age, gender, all not problem. They are
problem,
not.
right?
Yeah, because so everyone need to learn during their whole life, right? No matter what you are learning. So learning coding is also one thing you can do, and it's not that really depends on how young, then you can learn how fast. So if you want to put efforts, then you can get those skills, and it's your own things. So I think age doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you with that. Like, I mean, because like many people ask me about that, like, is it like too late for me to learn now? Like, I always said no. There's never too late for this.
Yeah, when you try to find a job, they are more caring about, can you solve this problem? Do you have enough skill ability to coding? Are not caring, if you're young enough or if you're pretty enough or something like that.
I mean, I totally understand why people are asking that. In my country, it's really common that when there's like a job opening.
Yeah.
So they will always put like a maximum this age, like maximum 25 or maximum 27. They want to start now, like there is like a 30 or something,
Oh yeah.
and they feel like, oh, that's mean like, I cannot get job then, right? So
yeah. I think it depends on the job. So for the software developer, age doesn't matter.
and like skill to write the software is not just about to getting job, right?
Yeah.
You can build
You can build
apps
apps for yourself.
yeah, for ourselves. Like we can sell it. We can build a startup maybe, right? So I mean, it's not about just getting job, but it's a skill that is really useful skill.
And once you get it, then it's your own thing.
Yeah, that's that.
So I think we should encourage more people.
And that's why like I interview you like and you are girls and then you are programmers and yeah, maybe
Girls
this can
will,
can motivate
Yeah.
them to learn as well, like, right? So
I believe it will.
yeah, so yeah, I think that's all I want to know, like about your background, about your job right now. So and now let's move to something that, you know, like a more personal, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
right, so
Okay.
I'm pretty sure like you know, like 100%, all of it watching right now, like just staring at you, right? Not even looking at me, right? So I'm pretty sure about that. So okay, so Jenna, like I know that you're working as a software engineer, but I know that you love codings, but I'm pretty sure that when you are not coding, you're doing something else, right? So like, do you have like any hobbies or activities that you like to do like, in your spare time?
Yeah,
So,
I like fishing.
fishing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I like fishing too.
Yeah, we can go fishing next time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because I remember that I think last time that we fished, like we fished together,
I didn't
and
catch
you didn't catch
anything.
anything, right? So
But now I'm different.
really, you're different. Okay.
Different. So I have my gears and and the skills. I learn some skills.
Mm-hmm.
So at least every time I go fishing, I can get 5 or 6.
Oh, that's a lot, right? So
Yeah.
I haven't been fishing for ages right now. So
We can do it next time.
right? So yeah.
And
What's
I
else?
also go hiking.
Hiking.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, nearby Sydney.
Okay.
And sometimes golf.
Golf.
But I'm pretty new for it. I'm
Alright.
still learning it.
Like you learn many things, right? Like fishing and then you golf now, like
Yeah, because like during the weekend, I wanna try something different instead
that's
of
good.
stand in front of my laptop. I also when I stay at home, I play around with my toys.
Oh, this is it. Okay, this is your toys.
And also something like this, very pretty.
Yeah, like
It's Little Mermaid. Yeah.
Okay, so okay.
And I also do painting.
Painting.
Yeah, but
that's
I'm
your
not
painting.
good at painting
It's
a
good.
lot. Yeah, it's just
wow.
I just tried a few times.
That's nice. What was this? Elephant. Right?
Elephant, but with a lot of colors.
Oh, right. That's so
Yeah,
colorful.
and that is the ocean view, the sea view.
This is the what's called wave.
Wave.
Okay.
But I didn't draw it very properly. I didn't draw properly. It should
No,
be a
it's-
curve here. It looks very
Alright.
straight.
I like drawing as well, but wow, I need to try this. Like, okay.
We can go painting next time as well.
Where do you do this? Like
There's a painting course.
painting course?
Yeah, they provide you everything and teach you.
Wow. So you learn many things like fishing, golf, what's it called painting, and
yeah.
wow, that's amazing. So. All right, so now I have a really important question for you. Like, what do you love? Like, do you know what I'm guessing? No. Like, oh, just okay. So this is really important, but for me, for my. All right, so are you single?
Oh, it's a really important question.
But, like, I'm waiting.
Most important question
I'm waiting for
this
asking
interview.
For this. Yeah, like, so,
No, I don't have yet. Yeah, I don't have yet.
Like,
yeah.
Really? Like, are you sure? Like.
Yeah. Maybe I don't know if I meet someone suitable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But
Like what's
haven't meet yet.
what's your like criteria?
I don't know. I like someone who can go out play with me and be like outgoing and can talk with me as well and like teach me new stuff because I'm always looking for learning something I never touched before.
Did you prefer like a
Developer
boyfriend or like a just this normal guy? Like, What do you think?
I think it's really depends on people. For me, I prefer my boyfriend has a different job. It's okay. There's a lot of girls. So because working in a different job, we are working in a different area, so we can talking different things. So everything from mine is fresh for him.
Why Jenna? we can code together, like no.
Yeah, but I'm sure the developer can easy to find a girlfriend. A lot of girls they like software developer as a boyfriend. I think.
Wow, like they're boring. No, like I'm boring. Like I thought I'm like I'm boring.
They're
why?
no, but they are smart.
Yeah,
and they
they're
have
smart.
a lot of knowledge.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
And what else? Like
I think that's already very good for some guy that doesn't have, right?
yeah, that's true. But still,
And good payment. Yeah.
yeah, that's.
So I think it's easy to find a girlfriend.
But still, like, oh, you break my heart. Oh, all right then. So, like right now, like you are like really young, right? So, like, do you have like a vision, like of 5 years in the future, like or 10 years? Do you have something in your mind, like? What do you want to be like at that time? So.
I think after 5 years, in 5 years, I need to improve my coding skills. So I want to be a really good senior developer as you guys.
All right.
Yeah, and because I'm 25 now.
Wait, 25?
Yeah.
After 17 now?
Oh yeah, it looks very young. But maybe after 5 years, gonna have a family, maybe. Yeah.
Family.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe getting married. And, if I can meet someone.
You already meet someone right now, and then you just say that okay, it's okay. I wish like yeah, that's great. Like, okay, so I think that's it for today. Like, I'm really thank you for your time today. Like, for having me here, like, in your beautiful place, and finally I can ask you like a lot of questions. So,
it's my pleasure. I'd like to help you.
Yeah,
today.
thanks for that. Like, and I know that you will always support me, right? So, okay, so yeah, like I said like earlier, like I wish like whatever that you plan for the future, like is gonna be happen.
Yeah, I will try my best.
Yeah, so cool. So oke, jadi teman-teman ya, gitu ya sedikit kita tuh habis ngobrol-ngobrol sama Jenna, dan mudah-mudahan ya kita tuh bisa belajar banyak dari ceritanya Jenna ini, dan ada beberapa hal yang ya saya simpulkan ya dari percakapan kita kali ini. Dan yang pertama adalah bahwa programming itu susah gitu loh, itu nggak mudah, tapi itu semuanya bisa gitu loh ya, mau cewek mau cowok mau tua atau muda ya, misalkan si Jenna ini dia bisa gitu loh ya, dan itu yang penting, dan semangat itu yang penting yang ingin saya sampaikan. Jadi nggak peduli tentang umur lah, tentang gender lah, nggak masalah. Yang penting kalau kita pengen belajar, kita pengen jadi sesuatu yang kita inginkan, ya kita pasti bisa gitu loh ya. Yang penting kita tuh curahkan waktu dan tenaga untuk mencapainya gitu loh ya. Dan mudah-mudahan ya sesi ngobrol-ngobrol kali ini dengan Jenna bisa bermanfaat buat kalian semuanya, buat saya juga, karena saya juga belajar banyak dari dia hanya dengan berbicara seperti ini. Dan teman-teman juga yang mudah-mudahan bisa mengambil banyak bisa dibilang poin-poin penting lah ya, yang bisa diambil diterapkan untuk kita sendiri gitu ya. Dan seperti biasa, kalau teman misalkan suka dengan video ini ya, suka dengan bisa bilang format seperti ini ya, saya tuh menginterview mungkin teman saya atau siapa gitu kan, silahkan like videonya ya, jadi ya silahkan di like, dan juga subscribe pastinya buat yang belum. Dan karena mungkin minggu depan atau mungkin 2 minggu lagi saya akan interview lagi satu orang teman saya cowok yang juga software developer di tempat saya bekerja, dan dia itu jago React teman. Jadi buat teman-teman yang sekarang lagi belajar React, bisa belajar dari teman saya yang satu ini. Oke, dan mungkin sekian dulu ya untuk kali ini. Dan seperti biasa, terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah support saya selama ini. Dan ya mudah-mudahan saya terus bisa bisa dibilang memberikan sesuatu buat kalian semuanya yang bisa bisa dibilang bisa bermanfaat buat kita semuanya. Dan seperti biasa ya, mungkin teman-teman ada yang ingin ditanyakan, ada yang mungkin kurang jelas mungkin ya, silahkan ditanyakan di kolom komentar. Dan silahkan juga buat teman-teman yang ingin bergabung di grup Telegramnya UpKoding, silahkan juga bisa dicek di sini. Dan karena di sana itu kita bisa bisa dibilang kita bisa sharing-sharing ya, dan kalian tuh bisa tanya, bisa sharing apapun ya, yang mudah-mudahan bisa bermanfaat buat kita semuanya gitu ya. Oke, dan sekian dulu untuk kali ini, dan tetap semangat, tetap coding pokoknya, happy coding pokoknya semuanya. Jaga kesehatan pastinya, dan kita akan bertemu lagi di video saya berikutnya. Dan terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
That's good.
Good.
Oh my god, this finished.